Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to reset Foxtel Iq3 and Iq4. If you want to reset your Foxtel Iq3 and Iq4, you need to follow some steps. If you want to perform a soft reset, so you can follow these steps. On the underneath of the box, locate the reset button. Then using a ballpoint pen or paper clip, press down on the button for less than 4 seconds and release it to restart the box. Warning: pressing the reset button for more than 4 seconds will initiate a full factory reset. Number 3. Click Begin Test in the middle of the screen. This test can take up to 30 to 40 seconds. If you want to perform a factory reset, then you will need to follow these steps. On the underneath of the box, locate the reset button. Then using a ballpoint pen or paper clip, press down on the button for less than 4 seconds or until you see the factory data reset screen. Warning: by following these steps you will delete any settings or install apps that you may have on the box. Using your remote control, select Factory Data Reset and press the OK button. Then select Erase Everything and press the OK button. In the fifth step, once the box has been restarted, complete guided setup, log in using your Foxtel Now account and reinstall any apps from the Google Play Store. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.